Let me do a very quick soil lesson. So at some point, they put in like utilities and cable in here, and my yard went to this or this, and it was nothing but dirt. Notice the water sitting on top. Right there. Look over here, look at my little puddle. Underneath that is a bunch of water, right? So when you're looking at the water, everything is just sitting there, it's sitting on top. The clay is there, it's not necessarily soaking in. There's not much help. It's just starting to get green on there. So I have a little bit of a lake down there. So that's soil number one. Now, soil number two is there's more native grasses and things growing in here. Again, I don't put things down, which is why it's kind of weedy at this point until I mow it. But notice the fact there's less water. There's less water because it's pulling it into the ground, pulling other carbon into the ground. It's sequestering everything, and we're getting excited about that. So this is another part of soil. So I have more grass, more green vegetation here, and it's ready to kind of pull that water in and not have so much ponding as the other part of my yard. This soil, this particular soil, and this particular soil has been a garden bed for at least 3 years. Now I have added stuff, amended it, I've added compost on top, I've created soil underneath that is very fertile. It's weedy now and I gotta weed it and I'll have to take care of that. But ultimately when you look at it, notice there's no water ponding on it. That soil is some of the most fertile soil that I can have when water hits it, and we have had 14 inches of rain in the last month. Notice there's no water on it. We've had 6 and 7 inches in the last couple of days. There's no water in it. It's going down. The plants that are using it, it's going down there to sequester itself and keep it there, and it'll be great. So I'm excited about that. So the biggest lesson that I take from this is if you plant like plants on your pastures, on your gardens, and you create the best soil, it pulls the water in, it doesn't run off. Now understand, there's some places that's just going to happen, but the more that we plant plants on there, it helps take care of that. And if you have other grazing cattle and other animals, you can run them through and feed them for next to nothing if you'll do that. So the other part of it is a part of creating the best soil, the best ecosystem for the best plant so that you get the best food and all of the things work. This is very important. Think about that as we're planting after this rainstorm. What can you do to help minimize your flooding?